Now, let's compare sizes of atoms versus the cations that you get when an atom loses an electron. Okay. In general, compared to the atom that it came from, a cation would be smaller. It's like if you take off your jacket, you're smaller. Okay? So, and it will have a higher ionization energy. Why? Well, once you've taken out one electron, the remaining electrons are going to experience a higher effective nuclear charge. There's fewer electrons to shield them from the nucleus, so each electron is going to feel a much stronger force towards the nucleus. So, which one would have a higher ionization energy? Magnesium. Compare magnesium, magnesium plus, and magnesium plus 2. Ionization energy, first ionization energy would be less than the second ionization energy. That's the ionization energy for Mg plus, right? And it's going to be less than the third ionization energy. So the ionization energy would be highest for magnesium with a plus 2. And so that would also be the smallest. Think of it this way. Magnesium, you've got right here a neon core. So that's 10 electrons in the core. And you've got those 2 electrons on the outside. Once you've taken out those 2 electrons, okay, you're left with just the core, which is smaller. So Mg with a plus 2 charge will be the smallest of the 3. Let's compare magnesium plus 2 versus neon. Okay. Magnesium plus 2 has the same number of electrons as neon, so the electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 for both of them. Which one will have a higher ionization energy? Okay, think of it this way. Magnesium has 12 protons, and it's got, you can think of 2 electrons in the core, okay, and it will have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Whereas neon will be the same, except that neon is going to have 10 protons instead of 12 protons. So which one will be able to hold on to its electrons more strongly? Magnesium with 12 protons pulling in those 8 electrons versus neon with only 10 protons pulling in those electrons. Everything else is pretty much the same. So magnesium will have a higher ionization energy than neon, although they have the same electron configuration, because your magnesium with a plus 2 charge has more protons in the nucleus. There's a greater effective nuclear charge pulling in those electrons from